Hello, my name's Kyle Vanson with Microsoft, and I'm very excited because today I have the brand new Surface Pro 12-inch device, brand new in box, just for me. Now, by the time you see this video, it will be available for you to purchase, but right now it's not, so very exciting. Lucky me. I also have with it the most important accessory for a Surface Pro, and that's the keyboard and pen in one box. So let's not waste any time. I've got all of these to unbox for the first time. Very exciting. And I'll tell you about this device and who it's for. First thing I can notice, other than the beautiful device itself and its brand new ocean color, comes in two new colors alongside the platinum, violet, and ocean, which is what I have right now, is that there's very little wasted space with this box. Microsoft's doing its best to reduce packaging waste that goes from single-use plastic, so this is all just cardboard and paper, to just the size of the packaging overall. So really snug fit in here, and there's the device. This is, of course, the tablet form factor, Surface Pro, which means that it is, that tablet-first versatility and flexibility we know and love, but this is a Copilot Plus PC. It's got that full laptop power. In fact, it's now the smallest Copilot Plus PC that Microsoft makes. We've got this cover indicating all of the different buttons and what they do. Power button, volume up and down. We've got our microphone array and cameras here, letting me know it is a Windows Hello facial recognition camera. And then your two USB-C ports indicated right there with the icon showing that is how you charge your device. Oh, I shouldn't talk over this. This is everybody's favorite part of any unboxing, and that is peeling back. Not this plastic, but this too feels like just an adhesive sort of paper. Reviewing the screen. That was incredibly satisfying. We've got that full friction kickstand that we know and love on the device, allowing you to operate at any angle, push it down where you want, rest your hand on the screen when we get that pen out. That's great. I'm going to leave that right there while we check out what else is in the box. Not too much else is going to be in here, I don't think. We've got quick start documentation, your warranty information and setup guides, very thin and light paper, also wrapped in some paper cardboard, and then our charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, hiding right down there. And that is it. That's the entire box. Documentation, charging cable, and the device itself. Now this charges with at least a 27-watt power brick, and if you want fast charging, meaning you'll get like 80% of your battery back in just under an hour, you'll need a 45-watt charging brick, but you can find those really just about anywhere. You may already have some at home, and retailers sell great charging brick options for Surface Pro 12-inch. So that's that unboxed. Again, recyclable all the way through. Let's check out the accessories for it. This is the brand new matching 12-inch keyboard with included pen. Now there's some changes to this keyboard if you're used to Surface Pro, and it's indicated right here on this little insert, and that it is something you don't have to lift your device. I've been looking forward to this ever since I got these in the box. I've seen this before, and I just want to do it again. You don't have to pick both of them up to attach. You kind of just slide one into the other, and they just connect. The magnet is really strong. There's an indicator, let me open this back up, on how to detach, rotate to detach. But it's just telling you slide right up to attach. Now there is no charging cradle on this keyboard. It's so thin and light to protect your screen. We want to keep the package, as thin and light as possible as you're carrying it around in your bag. So that pen, there's the pen hiding out right there in the box. Another little pull tab to unwrap it. Some more recyclable paper, all of it indicated that you can recycle all these little pieces. There's your slim pen, rechargeable, not in the keyboard like the 13-inch Surface Pro. No charging cradle there anymore. Actually recharges on the back of your device. There's a little indentation, and it magnetically attaches, so you always have that pen available whenever you want. And there's the complete package. Surface Pro 12-inch with its matching 12-inch keyboard and Surface Slim Pen 2. Again, this is a Copilot Plus PC, meaning it is one of the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs out there. It's running Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus 8-core processor. You can throw all your programs at it. You don't have to worry about it. But it's just so thin and light. It's a great travel, go anywhere, do anything device. Perfect for higher education students or just starting career, or really anything, entertainment, creativity, and everything in between. I really love this ocean color, very subtle. Matching keyboard, matching, well, not matching pen. The pen comes in black, but it looks like a beautiful accessory alongside the back. Full-size keyboard with excellent key travel, so it doesn't feel like you're compromising on the keyboard. And then when it's time to use it as a tablet and get rid of that keyboard, you absolutely can. Write directly on the screen, rest your hand directly on it, and write easily, or just use the pen as a cursor and tap around, or fully supports touch gestures as well, however you want to interact with this device. And there you have your two USB-C ports, which not only act as charging, but can connect to external monitors, external accessories, everything, docking solutions. You can attach a ton of stuff to it because, again, it is a full Windows 11 Copilot Plus PC in this small, sleek 12-inch form factor. So that is the Surface Pro 12-inch unboxing. Not too much in there beyond the device. You can recycle all of this packaging, the quick start guides. Then you've got that ultimate accessory, which comes as this bundle and available separately as well. The Pro 12-inch keyboard with slim pen. And now I can go and keep this. I don't think I have to give this one back, at least not right away. So I'm going to go set this up and get started with my brand new Surface Pro 12-inch. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for all updates on Microsoft, on Surface, and everything in between. We'll talk to you next time.